Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have some exciting news. So as you can see below, I was contacted by this company Craspire to work with them, and I was overjoyed because I've always wanted to work with wax melts and seals, and because I'm a card maker, and I thought it would always be unique to have the seal on the back. So this is their website. It's called craspire.com, and what you would do is you would go to the website and create your own account. Over here where it says create an account, you just click on the icon of the person, and then they have an array of items to choose from. You click on over here, they have new stamp collection, sealing wax, tools, stationery, customized stamps. They also do that. And then they have a summer sale going on too. Let's check that out. So look at that. Oh, your girl's gonna have to get that bee with the flowers. But look at all this. Aren't those cute? So you would pick whatever you wanted. So say I wanted to get that bee. You would just hit add to cart and it goes in your cart. So something else I have to share with y'all is they gave me a coupon code. It's agape4gigi5, and you get $5 off of 40 or more. They also offer free shipping on orders over 50, which they put at the top of their screen to remind you. So that's kind of like a double coupon. Okay, let me show you what else they have. Let's look at their new stuff. So they have some of their cherry blossom wax seal kit. They have the butterfly sealing wax stamp kit. Oh, look at the reindeer getting ready for Christmas. Here you go. Christmas elk wax. One that says Merry Christmas is a cute Christmas tree. So there's so many items to choose from. And then they have this kit right here that comes with a furnace. Okay, so let me show y'all what I picked out to do my review on. So I picked the Peru painted iron wax furnace that's in the shape of a deer. He looks like this. So super cute. Okay. And then I picked a kit. And the kit I picked is called Sealing Wax Beads Kit number 3. And it came with these beads here. Whole bunch. I think there's 300 pieces. So it's in an array of colors. And then it came with some hemp rope. It also came with some ribbons in all different colors. They're so pretty with the gold accent. And then it came with some envelopes in several different colors. So you get red and orange, a white, a blue, a craft, and this really pretty green. So you get all of those. And you get 4 tea lights, which you use underneath the furnace to melt the wax. And I'm trying to get it open because we're going to be using one of them. Okay, and then it came with 2 spoons, which is what you use to melt your wax in. And they're heavyweight, they're very nice quality. And then I picked a stamp. And this one's called the Butterfly Wax Seal Stamp. And this one came with the whole stamp. It's really pretty. So it's a butterfly with like scallop around it. And then I picked a bow knot wax seal stamp head, 25 millimeters. So the cool thing is you can switch out, instead of having to keep buying the ones with the head on them, you can take it apart and then just add this one on it instead. So without further ado, I'm going to give my first impression on Craspire's products. So let me light the tea light. And when I recommend you do this on a non-stick, heat-resistant mat. Okay, I got the candle going. Just get that under here. I picked out 3 of the purple beads. I don't know if you need 3, but that's what I think. So we're gonna put it over the heat and let them melt. Hope my fan doesn't blow it out. Do I have it over it? There we go. I should have turned my fan off. Let me do that while it's warming up. Okay, that's turned off. Oops! I'm trying to make a mess. So I don't know why it's not. I don't know how long it usually takes because I've never done this before. It looks like it's starting to melt down. Yep, there it goes. It was my fan, keeping it cool. Y'all see it melting? I probably should have got out a pick to move it around. I'll just use this spoon and clean it off. So we're doing all this in real time. Y'all do not know how excited I am to be working with this company. I've always wanted to do this on the back of my envelopes. Okay, it's not quite finished, but it's almost. Okay, I think it's melted. So what we're gonna do is blow, well, we'll leave it on in case I do one more. So you're gonna pour it like so, and then you put your stamp on it like so. I hope I got it all. And you let it sit I do not know how long you do this. I'm just gonna eyeball it and see when I think it's dry or getting dry. It worked, guys. Look at that. Oh, that's still wet. But look, the butterfly came out. I'm so excited. So it needs to dry a little bit more before I put it up. Oh, but I am so excited about this. So my first impression is excited and impressed. So I hope y'all can see that. So since you're doing it on a non-stick, when it's dry, you'll be able to pull it right up like that. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I love it. I love that butterfly. So I will be coming back and doing some tutorials of the items. And I thank y'all guys for watching, and I hope you go and check out Craspire and use my coupon. Okay, love you guys. Bye.